when your heart is unclear, when your needs are threatened, when you're facing the challenges of life. What do you cling to? Is it possible to confidently face difficult times, knowing just 6 simple words? The answer is yes. I Have a Covenant with God, Pastor Gregory Dickau's exciting new audio CD series. You'll learn about the covenant promises God has made to each of us when we became born again. In this compelling new teaching, Pastor Dickau explains the importance of covenant and how God cares enough for the broken that He desires to establish His covenant with humanity. Call right now to order your copy of I Have a Covenant with God for your love gift of $25, or go online to order your copy at www.changinglives.org. If you call right now, you will also receive as a special gift from Gregory Dickau the audio CD message, Not Guilty. In this series, you will learn how to live a guilt-free life and how you no longer have to have the approval of people because you have God's approval. Just accept God's judgment over you, not guilty. So call today to get both I Have a Covenant with God and Not Guilty. Call now.